Oh, I hate missing them so much. You know? Bothers me. This is insane. Got 2 Parker Gridwalk and 1 coming east already. Starting to pick up speed. You alright? It's starting to pick up speed now. That's a long train too. Going into Canada in the tunnel. Well, we missed this one. You know? Son of a... One a Gridwalk and now this one's going through already. Damn, not good timing. That's a long train. Starting to pick up speed. There's the end of it. Alright. Here's the gate. I'm gonna stop the video. Aw man, we missed it.